It was a sunny day in North Carolina, and the crowds were gathering at the Marine Corps Air Station Cherry Point for the annual air show. Excitement was in the air as families and aviation enthusiasts alike eagerly anticipated the spectacular performances they were about to witness. As the show began, the aftershock jet fire truck took the stage and wowed the crowd with its impressive stunts. The truck sped down the runway, sending plumes of fire and smoke into the air as it spun and twisted, leaving the audience breathless. Next up was Hubie Tolson, an experienced pilot who thrilled the crowd with his stunning aerobatic maneuvers. The crowd gasped in amazement as he flew upside down, twisted and turned, and performed other gravity-defying stunts. As the day wore on, the performances only got better. Mini-jet air shows, R.J. Gritter, and many others took to the skies, leaving the crowd spellbound with their feats of aerial daring. But the air show was about more than just thrilling performances. It was also an opportunity for MCOS Cherry Point and 2nd Marine Aircraft Wing to connect with the community and show their appreciation for their support. Representatives of the base mingled with the crowds, answering questions and sharing information about their mission and operations. As the sun began to set on the day, the final planes took to the skies, performing a breathtaking formation flight that left the crowds cheering and applauding. As the crowds dispersed, families and friends shared their favorite moments of the day, and many looked forward to next year's air show. It was a day filled with excitement, thrills, and community spirit, and a testament to the power of aviation to bring people together.